Let me show you the true power of AI. I built this entire site in less than 10 minutes on HighLevel. How amazing is that? This entire site that you're looking at is 100% built by AI with my prompts under 10 freaking minutes. This is amazing. This is beautiful. And guess what? This is 100% mobile optimized as well. It looks amazing on mobile. I really, really like how it looks and the view, the looks, the text there, the living room, dining room, stuff like that, and the effect it has when you kind of hover over it is amazing. I really, really like these kind of AI stuff nowadays, guys. And I will show you as to how that is done. This is possible due to the new AI studio that GoHighLevel has launched there. And as you can see, this is exactly where I built my entire site there, right? I'm going to show you as to how to enable it and then how you can get started writing prompts and create stunning GoHighLevel funnels and landing pages by AI so that you can grow in your business. And we will show you as to how to get that. Now, this is the interface of the AI studio. But let me go to the usual dashboard that you will see here. So this is the usual dashboard that you see here inside your GoHighLevel account. Now, what do you do is you'll be able to see something called AI Studio. Do you see that? But it is still not available for everybody because it's still under beta. So what we're going to do is we're going to go at the bottom and go to settings there. Once you go to the settings, scroll down and you will be able to see something called labs. Do you see that? It's called something called as labs. Go ahead and click on labs. The moment you click on labs, there will be a list of features which are yet to be released into your HighLevel sub account. And again, this is on a sub account basis. So when you scroll down, go to the bottom, right? Literally go to the bottom and you'll be able to see something called as AI Studio. We have AI Studio. It will be live in 34 days, right? I have turned this on. As you can see, these are turned off. I have turned it on so that I can get the access even before it becomes live, right? So I turn this on. The moment you turn this on, you go back, you refresh, and then you will be able to see something called as AI Studio just above AI agents and marketing. All right. When you click on that, it kind of takes you to different interfaces. It talks about let's vibe, and guess what? People are already using it like anything, and that's the reason why they have something like this called an experiencing high traffic on studio. All right, so we have really, really high traffic. People are using it a lot, and guess what? The output's amazing. I've already built a few sites that I'm going to show it to you, and you can see and check and let me know as to how that did. But let me quickly show you the recent one real estate website that I built here. But let me click on that. As you can see, this thing is entirely built on HighLevel, and this is built by the AI studio, and this looks pretty sick, guys. I'm really, really impressed with what AI can do. All right, and I did this under 10 minutes, or I should say under 5 minutes. That would make more sense. All right, so as you can see here, I just given them an example as to I want picture perfect example of this particular site. Please do it, right? And then it gave me some of the details and then I prompted them again. And I also changed the name here. The name should have been different. Even if you see the logo here talks about my branding, which is PV Digital. And guess what? I asked him to change the branding with this particular name and it did it on its own. It also changed wherever the P it was written as the previous name changed to PV Digital. I then changed this particular front end to Premium AI Residence. And right, as you can see here, I gave the logo to add PV Digital to the name and the entire landing page, and that's exactly what I did. And then I asked it to write PV Digital Residence to this particular section, and then I finally asked it to change it to Premium AI Residence, and that's what I did. So it also gives you the indication that, hey, this can change the text when you want and when you want. Do you have the ability in order to go ahead and manually change that? The answer is no. But do you have the ability to give a prompt and the AI understand what you're trying to do and then it changes? The answer is yes, right? So it's very different than the page builder that we are used to and we are building, but that gives you more control. This is more the fast, furious kind of set where in a split second it can generate you something and you're ready to go live, right? Something like that. Apart from that, I also optimized it for the mobile version to make sure everything looks good on the mobile, as you can see here. So it has 3 versions already. So you have the desktop version here, and then you have the tablet version here, and then you have the mobile version here as well. So the mobile version wasn't absolutely correct. So what I did was I asked AI in order to improve the mobile version in terms of spacing. I also made sure that the size of the text are not jumbled up, right? So that people can see this, all the text and all the details clearly. And that's exactly what they did with this particular section. I really, really like what they did under 5 minutes. 10 minutes was back, but then 5 minutes is absolutely wonderful as to what it can do. So this is exactly what you see here is built directly by AI in its AI Studio platform, right? All you need to do is give them the right prompts and it can generate the best of the best detailed sites available there. The only drawback here is that you cannot manually change that. Hopefully, GoHighLevel will be able to do so in the future. But guess what? I think to get started in the initial phase, you should have some, if you have something like this, you are good to go on that. That's the reason why, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel yet, make sure you go ahead and sign up with my link because you're going to get a 30-day free trial for this along with a special bootcamp. So if you go to bonus.neethammadra.com, the link will be in the description box, by the way. You not only get a 30-day free trial here, you also get $1,000 of bonus. When you click on the $10,000 bonus, it's going to show you everything that you're going to get as part of my affiliate program, right? All of these bonuses as a snapshot will be given to you for absolutely free just because you signed up under me. Along with this, you're not going to get a 14-day free trial. You're going to get a 30-day free trial. Along with the 30-day free trial as well, I'm going to give you a live bootcamp directly by the HighLevel team. So make sure that you click on the link below and go ahead and sign up for your HighLevel account and enjoy this, what you could possibly do somewhere else paying thousands of dollars for absolutely minimal cost within 5 minutes. Crazy, isn't it? All right, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll create probably more such videos on this topic and I'll help you understand. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.